Sri Girijatmaj Lenyadri Ganapati is a Hindu temple dedicated to Supreme God Ganesha. This temple is located on the Pune-Nasik highway, and Junnar is the town closest to Lenyadri, about 5 kilometers away. This temple is the sixth Ganesha temple to visit during the Ashtavinayaka Yatra. Lenyadri are a series of about 30 rock-cut Buddhist caves dating between the 1st and 3rd century AD. Cave 7, originally a Buddhist vihara, were at an unknown later date appropriated for the worship of Hindu god Ganesha. The idol of Lord Ganesh has gems in its eyes. The trunk of Lord Ganesh is towards the left side.
मुदाकरात्तमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलासिलोकरक्षकं
In front of the huge entry gates of Sri Girijatmaj Ganesh temple are enormous pillars with elephants, horses, lions, and various other animals carved on them. Similarly, there are pillars with different carvings in front of every other cave. There are 18 rooms of 7 by 10 feet area, and it is believed that these rooms were used by the saints for tapascharya. The sixth cave and the 14th cave have Buddha pillars in them, known as Bauddha Stupa. These caves are made into shape of hemisphere interiorly, hence echoes can be heard. These stupas are also referred as the Gold Gumat. The caves have carved pillars along with the stupas. The Sabha Mandap of Sri Girijatmaj Ganesh temple is 60 feet wide and faces south. The speciality of this Sabha Mandap is that it is not supported by any pillar. It is in the form of a very large room. The sanctum sanctorum of the temple displays a wide range of astonishing art in the form of devotional paintings of Sri Guru Dattatreya, Lord Ganesh resting on Shiv Parvati's lap, Bal Ganesh playing ancient game like Ludo made using natural colors. In front of the temple are two water tanks. 21st Cave 2 houses a water tank. The specialty of these tanks is that the water is available throughout the year. The water is clean and naturally cool. Pilgrims drink this water to quench their thirst. Legend has it that the great Pandavas, during their 13th year of exile, had sculpted these caves in just one night. According to Ganesh Puran, Girija, goddess Parvati, desired to bear a son. On the Lenyadri mountain, she performed severe penance. Girija spent 12 years in the caves of Lenyadri performing penance in order to have Ganesha as her son. Ganesha was pleased and bestowed the boon she desired. On Bhadrapada Shuddh Chaturthi, Girija scraped the dirt from her body, mixed it with oil and ointment, and formed an idol of Ganesha. She was performing puja on that idol when the idol came to life and informed Girija that, as she had requested, he had taken avatar to her home. On the 11th day, he was named Ganesha, which means a person who controls the three qualities of Sattva, Raja, and Tama. Lord Shiva bestowed upon him the boon that whoever remembers Ganesha before beginning a task will complete it successfully. Ganesha spent 15 years of his childhood in Lenyadri. Sindhu, the demon king, sent demons such as Kurur, Balasur, Vyomasur, Shema, Kushal, and others to kill Ganesha at Lenyadri. Ganesha, on the other hand, killed all of these demons as a child. Ganpati also performed numerous Bala Leelas in this location. As a result, Lenyadri is considered a holy place. The name Lenyadri literally means mountain cave. It is derived from Leni in Marathi meaning cave and Adri in Sanskrit meaning mountain or stone. The name Lenyadri appears in the Hindu scripture Ganesha Purana as well as in the Sthala Purana in association to the Ganesha legend. It is also called Jirnapur and Lekan Parvat or Lekan Mountain. The hill was once known as Ganesh Pahar or Ganesha Hill, and an ancient inscription calls the place Kapichita, The caves are also known as Ganesh Lena or Ganesh Caves.
वसन्तमेव योगिना तमेकं तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम्